of the Permanent Emergency Code.
James Cole, cleared from quarantine.
Thank you. You two wait outside.
He's got a history, Doctor. Violence, antisocial 6, repeated violations of the Permanent Emergency Code, insolence, defiance, disregard of authority, doing 25 to life.
I don't think he's going to hurt us. You aren't going to hurt us, are you, Mr. Cole?
No, sir.
Why don't you sit down, Mr. Cole?
We appreciate your volunteering. You're a very good observer, Cole.
Thank you.
We have a very advanced program, something very different.
An opportunity to reduce your sentence considerably.
And possibly play an important role in returning the human race to the surface of the Earth.
We want tough-minded people, strong mentally. We've had some misfortunes with unstable types.
For a man in your position, an opportunity not to volunteer could be a real mistake.